Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you vocabulary about el tiempo in Spanish. This is an important word because it has more than one meaning. Let's learn it together in a simple and fun way. First, let me explain what el tiempo means in Spanish. It has two important meanings. It can mean the weather, for example, hace sol or está lloviendo. It can also mean time or duration, for example, ¿qué hora es? Or no tengo tiempo. So today I am going to show you how to use both meanings in context. Now let's learn some basic weather vocabulary. El sol means the sun. La lluvia means rain. La nieve means snow. El viento means wind. La tormenta means storm. El frío means cold. And el calor means heat. These are very useful words when I want to talk about the weather in Spanish. Now I am going to teach you basic vocabulary about time. La hora means the hour or time, and el minuto means minute. Temprano means early, and tarde means late. Hoy means today, mañana means tomorrow, and ayer means yesterday. These words help me talk about time and daily routines. Next, let's look at some useful phrases about the weather. Hace buen tiempo means the weather is nice. Está nublado means it is cloudy. Vi hay llover means it is going to rain. Hace mucho calor means it is very hot. And hace mucho frío means it is very cold. These expressions are very common in everyday Spanish. Now let's learn some useful phrases about time. ¿Qué hora es? Is the basic question I use to ask for the time. La clase empieza a las 9 means the class starts at 9 o'clock. Llegué tarde, porque había tráfico, means I arrived late, because there was traffic. These expressions help me speak about schedules and daily activities. Now I want to show you some fun expressions with el tiempo. Estar en las nubes means to be distracted or to be daydreaming. Llover a cántaros means to rain very heavily. Tomarse su tiempo means to do something slowly and without hurry. These idiomatic expressions make Spanish more natural and more colorful. Now let's do a mini quiz. Question 1. How do I say rain in Spanish? Question 2. What does estar en las nubes mean? Question 3. Which is the correct phrase to say it is cold? Hace calor, hace frío, or está soleado? Think about your answers before checking the next slide. Now let's check the answers. For question 1, the correct answer is la lluvia. For question 2, estar en las nubes means to be distracted or not paying attention. For question 3, the correct answer is hace frío, because that is the correct way to say it is cold in Spanish. Let's review what we have learned. For weather vocabulary, I learnt sol, lluvia, nieve, viento, tormenta, frío, and calor. For time vocabulary, I learnt hora, minuto, temprano, tarde, hoy, mañana, and ayer. I also learnt useful phrases like hace buen tiempo, ¿qué hora es? And vi a llover. Finally, I learnt fun expressions like estar en las nubes, llover a cántaros, and tomarse su tiempo. Now I want to give you some ideas to practice at home. I can listen to the weather forecast in Spanish every morning. I can use these new expressions in daily conversations with friends or family. I can play a game describing today's weather. I can also write a short weather diary in Spanish for 1 week. The more I practice, the more natural these words will become. Thank you very much for listening. If you want to learn Spanish with us, you can join Adventure Family Club. Visit our website for more information. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you next time.